Hi guys, we're back. So the struggle is so real when it comes to doing my eyebrows. I had a unibrow in high school which I overplucked and I'm now paying the price for. And we all know that eyebrows can make or break your finished look. So today, we're going to learn how to properly fill in those brows. I'm here with Lisa Angela Evans, a professional makeup artist who does freelance work here in Cayman. Okay, let's get started.
At the beginning of the process, you want to basically figure out where you want to map out your brow. So you need to make sure it's symmetrical. Always base it back to the middle of the nose. I like to take the pencil into the center of the nose and kind of line out where you want it to be exactly. And it's also useful to map out the shape of the brow that you wanted. So I'm kind of just doing an outline. Have this outline now, you can start to fill in. I like to fill in mostly in the outer half of the brow because that's where you want most of the fullness. And then you want to use softer strokes as you reach the beginning of the brow. So now I'm going to take a spoolie brush and I'm just going to blend out the beginning of the brow and also comb the hairs into place. And now I'm going to take a brown marker and I'm going to use that to create more like hair-like strokes so it looks more natural. Mostly follow the direction of the eyebrow hair growth. And then you can use the spoolie brush to soften the strokes. To finish off with a couple of lines right at the very beginning. And you want to use the lightest touch possible. Okay, now I'm going to go in with concealer. And you want to apply that right against the brow. I like to use these side-to-side motions to create a sharper line. And this way you have more control over the product. Also, if the brow is looking a little bit uneven, this is the time to kind of create a more symmetrical brow using the concealer. touch up in any areas that could still use a little more fullness. Okay, so now the final step is to use the Pro Longwear Brow Set by MAC to kind of just keep the brow hairs in place and also to make them last longer. This also makes the brows waterproof as well. So if you sweat, it's going to help keep your eyebrow makeup in place for the rest of the day.
Oh my gosh. Are these my eyebrows?
Yes, girl, those are your brows.
Oh my goodness, they look so natural. And you can't really tell that I have on any brow makeup. This is beautiful. Make sure to give Lisa a follow on Instagram. She's a wonderful makeup artist and she can help you out on your big wedding day, for prom, special events, or costume makeup. She's wonderful. Thank you so much, Lisa.
Thank you, Lidka. Yes.
We'll be right back.